Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my February favorites. So if you want to see what I have been loving for the month of February, then keep watching. For the month of February, I've had a lot of hair care favorites. That's just what I've been kind of like leaning towards lately for the month. I don't really know why, I can't really tell you. But let's get into them. The first one is this Not Your Mother's Plump for Joy Thickening Hair Lifter. I've been really liking this to put in my hair after I shower. I'll put it in and I'll flip my head upside down, and then I'll like put this into my hair, really focusing at the root, and my hair will have a nice volume. And I also like to use it along with the next product I'm going to mention, which is this Conair Infinity Pro Spin Brush Styler. So a lot of you guys have probably seen these already. There's one that's from Revlon that everyone is loving. The Revlon one was kind of expensive and everyone kept saying it was really loud. So I found this Conair one at Harmon. Harmon is like CVS kind of without the pharmacy kind of thing, and like the food section. That's pretty much Harmon. It's like a beauty supply store anyway, like the long run. But I found this there and it was actually cheaper than the Revlon one. Also, I think this was $50, which I mean is still kind of pricey, but I've been loving this. I don't wash my hair often. We've talked about this on my channel before, but I will use this on Thursday nights. So tonight, because today's Thursday as I'm filming this, and I'll use it tonight, so then that way when I wake up tomorrow morning to go to work, because I have to wake up early for work on Fridays, I can just literally barely brush my hair and leave. I don't have to straighten it or anything, so it's really, really quick. My hair always has like a nice volume and a cute little flip curl thing at the bottom. I absolutely love this, and this came with 2 brush heads. This is actually the smaller one. I haven't really tried the bigger one yet. Maybe I'll try that tonight, and I'll let you guys down below in like the description box or something, let you know how it goes. But this is so good, and this one's not loud like the Revlon one. It's really, really nice, and it spins. There's these 2 buttons, and it like curls your hair up. One, if like you hit the button one way and then the other way it'll like release it. I really do like it. The one thing is though, you have to have like damp hair. You can't have soaking wet hair when you use this. So that's one thing, and it takes me about 15 minutes to do my hair with this, so that's also a plus. But it also is really quick because I cut all my hair off, so that's nice. Having shorter hair, it takes less time to do my hair. The next hair care product that I have been loving is this Evolve H Luxury Organic Hair Care Super Finish Polishing Balm. You may remember I received this in my POSHLY unboxing. I'll link that down below if you guys didn't check that out yet. And I really do like this. This I will also use along with this Not Your Mother's product. This I like as a heat protectant. It's kind of similar to the, like, it's a 10 type of thing, except it's just on a spray bottle. You just have to put it in your hand because of the like cap. This a little goes a long way. I literally use like a pea size amount, and it's good enough for all my hair. I do like to use this wet or dry. Sometimes, most of the time I'll use it wet, just because like tonight I'll probably use it wet when I use the hair dryer. But if it was like a Sunday night, because Sundays is like when I also wash my hair, I have like a weird washing schedule, I don't know. But I won't use this in my hair. I'll put it in my hair the next day when I straighten it, and my hair always feels amazing. So I definitely recommend this as like a heat protectant type thing. It also helps with the frizziness and all that stuff, and flyaways, which I also really enjoy. This is kind of pricey, but that's really good. Next, I'm totally gonna butcher this name, but I think it's like Oblifica Professional Sea Berry Hair Mask. I got this in my advent calendar, I got the QVC advent calendar, if you guys didn't know, and I love this hair mask. It smells really good, right? Yes, it smells very nice. It smells like a salon to me, like that's what it smells like. And this just makes my hair so soft. This is just a hair mask. It helps rejuvenate, renew, and repair your hair, and it's good for fine to medium hair. I honestly just followed the directions. So it just says to shampoo and then put this in your hair from, I don't put it scalp to end. That's the one thing. I did the first time and I liked how it felt, but I just feel like whenever I put it on my scalp, any conditioner, leave-in conditioner, it gets too heavy for my hair. So I just kind of do like here and down, and then you leave it in for 2 to 5 minutes and then rinse out. And you can use daily or weekly. I use it weekly, and like I said, I love it. It's amazing. My hair feels so soft, and it's just so shiny, and it was so squeaky clean feeling after I used this. And I try to leave it in for, I guess, about 5 minutes. I kind of I'll go in the shower, wash my hair really quick with shampoo, rinse it out, and then I'll put this in and then do the rest of my stuff, like wash myself and shave and put my cream on and all that stuff, and then I'll rinse it out last. So I guess it's about 5 minutes. I really don't know, but this is really good. I definitely want to order more of this. Maybe even see if there's like a kit on QVC, because like I said, I got this in the QVC advent calendar, so it's really good. The last hair care favorite that I have for this month are these CHIC Pro Satin Sleep Scrunchies. I have been loving these. They're just like an ivory scrunchie, and I will use them for sleeping, but obviously you can use them to like go out and be a human. I just use them for sleeping. And they literally live up to all the claims. So the claims are that they're 100% satin, which I'm assuming they are. They glide through the hair without pulling or tugging. They're creaseless. They can be used day or night, and they're best for all hair types. So I have noticed that there's no creasing with these dumb little things. Like, they're so stinking good. I really like them. You can get them on Amazon. And there's 5 in a pack. But yeah, there's no creasing. I haven't noticed, like, when I take the hair tie out in the morning, that there's no hairs like attached to it and nothing. They're so good. I've just been loving scrunchies. I've been loving these, and the ones that I got from my ColourPop haul, I'll link those down below too if you guys want to check them out. And I'll link the ColourPop haul down below if you want to check that out as well. And I got ones from Five Below that I also have been liking. But yeah, these ones are really good. This was a 5-pack for $9.60, which I felt like was a pretty good price because they're under $2, right? $1 something. I'm so bad at math. Now onto my makeup favorites. I don't really have a lot because I haven't really like tried anything new. So first are these Emax Design sponges. I mentioned these in my Get Ready With Me. Again, if you haven't seen that, it'll be linked down below. And someone, her name is Leah McDonald, she was talking about them in one of her videos, and I thought I would check them out because they were super cheap, but she was talking like Canadian money. But either way, they were still really cheap because in US dollars, they were like $7.60 or something like that. Like super cheap for 3. So I decided to give them a try, and I really like them. They absorb the water nicely. They do get really big. You get 3 in the pack. You get this little guy, which I like to use to apply like my liquid highlighter and blend that out with. Then you get this middle guy, which I like to use to blend out my highlighter once I like apply my powder highlight. And then this big one I use to apply my foundation. So they're really nice. They don't absorb a lot of product. I mean, this one looks like it does, but it just has a bunch of like glitter and stuff on it because, again, I use it for highlight. But they're really nice sponges. People were saying they're kind of like beauty blenders. I don't know. I've never tried a beauty blender, but stay tuned because I have a beauty blender that I got from FabFitFun that I still haven't opened. It's still sitting here, and I'm going to do a whole video about me trying a beauty blender for the first time. I just thought I'd film it. But yeah, these are really nice. They're really affordable, and I really like them. I have to wash them. I'm just slacking though. Next is the foundation I also mentioned in my Get Ready With Me, and it is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Tint with Hyaluronic Acid. I have been absolutely loving this. My skin has been so stinking dry, so dry, and I was using my BH Cosmetics foundation, and that was just really like making the dry patches look worse. So I picked this up and I really like it. For me, it was pricey for drugstore because I am so cheap and hate spending money. It was like $15, but honestly, it was worth it, and I would definitely repurchase it. The only thing is the shade range is horrendous. Again, if I'm going to do a whole review on this because I like foundation reviews and I think they're very helpful. So I'm going to film that as soon as I can. I just have so many videos that I have filmed and like pre-filmed and like written down. It's insane. I don't know how I'm figuring out all these video ideas, but yeah, I'll do a review on this so you guys can like really hear my true thoughts. Next up, we have this Mia Adora Call Me On Point Micro Tip Brow Definer. The packaging is wearing off, but Mia Adora reached out to me and sent this to me, and I really have been loving this. It's a great brow pencil. It's $14.95. I'll leave the link down below. It's I really like it. I think it's a really good brow product. I like how my brows look with it. And yeah, that's all I really have to say about it. It's a great brow product. If you want to see my review and demo, it'll be linked down below as well. And my last favorite for the month is this Maybelline Curvitude eyeliner. So I really like this eyeliner because it's like curvy. It's on a curve. And it's got like this really weird shape. There's like a ball and it's just fun. But when you want to do your wing, you can just like line it up right with the corner of your eye and just draw the tiniest little line. And like my wings have been looking so good. I don't know what it is. When I use this, it's the best. I like it. It's a very good like jet black. It's amazing. You guys should check it out. It's from Maybelline. It was like super cheap at Walmart because I get everything from Walmart. And those were my favorites for the month of February. Let me know in the comments down below what you have been loving for the month of February. I would love to know and like maybe learn about some new products that I can try in March, and maybe they'll be my March favorites. You never know. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.